Welcome students, 11th standard chemistry unit 14 halo alkanes and halo arenes பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். In the sections we learn about chemical properties of halo arenes. General formula of halo arene is ARX. AR is a phenyl group or benzene ring. So first of all you would learn that reduction. What is reduction? Reduction is an addition of hydrogen and loss of oxygen. So there is a addition of hydrogen. So I am taking the reaction of haloarenes. Haloarenes, the best haloarenes compound is a C6H5. General representation you are taking ArX. X may be chlorine or iodine. There is react with nickel aluminum alloy. Nickel aluminum alloy. It is addition of hydrogen. What happening here? This X will be replaced by hydrogen atom. So AR H by H X. Hydrogen halide will be removed. So we are taking it twice the times of hydrogen. I can just replace the reactions. The AR group is a phenyl. I am taking C6H5, Br or Cl. Whatever halogens you are taking, no problem. So you are taking nickel aluminum alloy and in the presence of addition of hydrogen. What do you get? C6H5. C. The benzene ring is here removed by what happening? Reduction. So having of one hydrogen is added. So the time of name is C6H6. Remaining will be a HCl. So this name of the compound is chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. Here is the only benzene. So generally this reaction is undergone only for aromatic benzene ring. Clear students? This is a benzene ring, chlorobenzene. The chlorobenzene in the halogen remove பண்ணிட்டு benzene ring ஓட தான் நம்ம இப்ப substitution reaction பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். So it is one of the substitution reactions that depends upon the reduction reactions. But the formation of Grignard reagents, very important. This Grignard reagents used for so many of the organic synthesis material. So first I am taking that general reactions. ARX. Phenyl halide, otherwise some aromatic halide. That aromatic halide react with magnesium. That magnesium is a more electropositive element. That more electropositive element, the presence of tetrahydrofuran. Tetrahydrofurans act as a catalyst. That catalyst stimulates the magnesium. That magnesium is added to two parts of the atoms. First one is a phenyl group and second one is the halogens. So I am taking the here ArMgX. So generally magnesium having a 2 positive. Charge of the magnesium is a 2 positive ions. So you can separate the ions will be here. O del minus here del plus. So the two ions will be arranged here. I can replace here C6H5 Br or Cl. I am taking here iodine. So here magnesium I added tetrahydrofuran. The tetrahydrofuran is a 4-member ring that attached with the oxygen atom. They are no needed for structures. Only a catalyst acts as a catalyst. So let us see that magnesium is an electropositive element. This positive element attack to that phenyl group of that carbon atom. So here C6H5Mgi. That name of the compound is a phenyl magnesium iodide. Phenyl magnesium iodide. Very important reaction. This is the name of the reaction is the formation of Grignard reagents. Next we can see that nomenclature of aromatic halogens. This aromatic halogen group is very important. Let us see the first example of that nomenclatures. You have this 6-member ring 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6-member ring. This 6-member ring is alternated is a double bonded group. So this double bonded group is having a delocalized pi electron. So having a numbering of the carbon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Already you know this is for ortho position. meta position and para position. Generally, this is a rule of the Benson ring. The Benson ring attached with the mono is an mono-substituted aromatic halogen group is, I can write here example, best example is, this is a benzyl, one ring, it is attached with chlorine. Similarly, it is attached with the Br, whatever you are taking. Whatever position you can numbering, put that continuously, that numbering series. So, this chlorine is attached here. So, number of the carbon here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number started from substituent group is attached with the same position. So, what is the name of the compound? 1-chlorobenzene. Here 1-bromobenzene. And the numbering பொறுத்து தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணோம் substituent name சொல்லணும். So I can write the name now. 1-chlorobenzene. Here similarly 1-bromobenzene. Very important. But now I can write a disubstituted benzene ring halogens, disubstituted halogens group. So I am taking similar reactions. This is a benzene ring. This benzene ring attached to here one Cl, here one Br. So what is the name of the compound? Here numbering is will be right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Listen students, commonly we can write the numbering is 6 members. But the substituent group is which one is the most priority? Chlorine or bromine? Bromine is the most priority because in alphabetic order Br is the most. In compared to atomic number, bromine is a higher one. So I can change the numbering here. What can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now again numbering will be is a anti-clockwise side because on substitute are two functional group. So I can write here. What can I the name of the compound? 1-bromo and 3-chlorobenzene. Clear? Next you can move on. Tri-substituted halogens group. So I can best example of the compound is this is our benzene ring. This is benzene ring is attached with the 3 halogens group. First I can write here chlorine. Here I can write iodine. Here I can write bromine. So look at the first. This bromine is an compare. Generally you know that halogen is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Iodine is a more priority and bromine is in alphabetic order first priority. So you can write that numbering of the compound is 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So numbering of the compound is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means first substituent is a bromo. Compare ABC alphabetic order la pathina bromine the first varum, next chlorine, next one is iodine. So you can write the name is 1-bromo and 4-chloro 3-iodobenzene. Okay, so very important. The number priorities depends upon that alphabetic order or either using that majority of the functional group. Okay, so next we can move that. What are the uses of benzyl halide or otherwise aromatic haloarenes? That haloarene is the most of used for preparation of pesticide. Pesticide is the best example for DDT. And next one is organic synthesis. Most of the higher boiling point or higher melting point is the compounds prepare பண்றதுக்கு இந்த haloarene is one of the uses. Next, fire swelling agents that is used in the preparation of textile industry. Which industry? Textile industry, very important. So let us see what is the happen in this video. The chemical properties of that haloarenes. Fourth point is a reduction reaction. Reduction is the addition of hydrogen. This addition of hydrogen I can write in general representation. Chlorobenzene in the presence of alloy of nickel and aluminum. Alloy of nickel and aluminum. This hydrogen will be added on that benzene ring. So you can C6H5 will be changed into now benzene. C6H5 now changes into benzene. So next formation of Grignard reagent. The name of the compound is Grignard reagent. Aromatic Grignard reagent, very important. Aromatic Grignard reagent, that is for phenyl magnesium iodide. Phenyl magnesium iodide in the presence of THF. THF is acts as a catalyst, that is expansion of tetrahydrofuran. Tetrahydrofuran. And next we can see the nomenclature of haloarenes. First condition is that you can change that. What are the substituent group? The substituent group is I can divide into three types: monosubstituted, disubstituted, and trisubstituted. But if first you fixing the name is numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. This ortho and para is now using for that common name. But I can discuss only for IUPAC name. So numbering the functional group and the functional group attached to the benzene ring is the most superiority. The first monosubstituted and the second one is a disubstituted and third one is a trisubstituted haloalkenes. Let us see finally what are the uses of haloarenes. The uses of haloarenes, the first important is used for preparation of pesticide. The best example for pesticide is the DDT. And the second is the organic synthesis. This organic synthesis is the maximum higher boiling point or melting point composition we prepare pannuvom. Last one is it is also used in the textile industry. Thank you for watching this video, students.